Hi, I'm Ron Griffiths, Managing Director of RPS Technology Solutions. And today I'm going to talk about the major technology changes in the UK telecommunications market. Just recently, BT announced that from the year 2020 onwards, ISDN services will no longer be available. And from 2025, the support of these services will be terminated and they will not be able to supply them. So what does this mean? First of all, who uses ISDN services and what are these services actually used for in today's technology? As the graphic shows, the ISDN connection in today's business actually connects your telephone system on site in your offices to the local exchange providing the services. This ISDN connection comes in the form of ISDN 2, which allows 2 calls per connection, or ISDN 30, which allows 30 calls per connection. These are the services that will be terminated from 2020 onwards. So what's going to happen to replace the ISDN services we previously talked about? Companies will have heard of many different types of new technologies such as voice over IP, SIP trunk, hosted voice solutions. These are the sorts of technologies that are now available and should be considered when upgrading or replacing anyone's telephone system today. I'll now briefly describe 2 forms of this connectivity to give you an overview of some of the choices that your business has available. All of today's new technologies actually run across your broadband or internet connection. The first of these is known as SIP trunks. These basically replace your current ISDN service on a like-for-like basis, albeit your telephone system on site will require either hardware or software changes, or indeed maybe the entire system may need replacing. Again, similarly to ISDN 2 services, each SIP trunk allows one consecutive call between your office and the network. So a number of these SIP trunks would need to be purchased in order to maintain the level of connectivity that your business has today. A second form of voice over IP service is where your telephone system is no longer required on site. This is known as hosted voice over IP services and provided by a number of companies across the UK. This system is much more simple in the fact that you just have telephones at your site using your computer network inside and again a broadband connection to the cloud. The telephones work with a telephone system built into the cloud network. One of the advantages of this type of service is that multiple calls can be placed and received from the telephone system in the cloud to your premises. When companies are looking at these new technologies, there are a number of things that they should consider for their business. Reliability and supportability. Companies need to consider what the resilience of the network and what the resilience of the solution being provided to them and how that's delivered. From a point of view of, should companies be looking at a one-stop shop? A company that they can work with to provide the telephones, provide the broadband connectivity and the hosted solution in the cloud, versus trying to deal with multiple vendors. Someone provides the phone, someone provides the broadband connectivity, and someone buys the extensions or capability from a website. Other factors to consider are, do you want to manage this service yourself? Do you want someone on your organisation to have access to a portal, can add extensions or change items, or do you want someone else to look after that for you? In today's business world, most businesses are exceedingly busy trying to drive their business themselves, be it solicitors, estate agents, etc., and would prefer to have someone with the expertise and the skill looking after their network and looking after their telephony for them. The introduction of this new technology brings many business benefits with it, and certainly companies should be looking to see how they could use these benefits to enhance their business and not just replace like-for-like technologies and carry on using their telephone system as they did before. One of the clear benefits is a reduction in costs of operation. Things like calls should be more cost-effective, and elements like the connectivity should reduce operating costs considerably. Customer service is another area where clients should think about how they deal with their customers today. Are they routing their calls to the correct person the first time? Are they using things like queuing mechanisms to let their callers know where they are within the call queue? Other facets such as things as multi-site operations can bring some real business benefits from the point of consolidating operations, centralizing some facilities, and ensuring that combined with customer service provides a better experience for their clients as well. Mobility is another area where these new technologies enhance the way in which you run your business. Being able to take your extension with you into your smartphone so you're reachable whenever you need to be and whenever you want to be. Other areas to consider too are things such as multiple UK numbers. You can have multiple UK numbers delivered to your premise, so it gives you a marketing presence within other cities across the UK. So just to summarise the points we covered in the video, ISDN will not be available for your business from 2020 and 2025 onwards. Consider the various options available for the voice over IP solutions. Ensure your engineered solution works for your business. Don't let your business be determined by the technologies. And use continual assessment to review how your business is using its technology and getting the best out of it for the best capabilities of your business. Hopefully you will have found some of this video useful, and it may help your business get the best out of your investment.